welcome back. Welcome to Bisboy Gaming channel. My name is Chia. Welcome to my new video. Alright, today we're gonna talk about how you can monetize your YouTube videos by adding product links to your video. Alright, so over here you see here's a home page of my home screen of my Bisboy Gaming channel. Right, this is my channel name, and there's the logo over there. So I'm going to talk about this website that will allow you to monetize your videos. Okay, let's look at this one of these videos of mine, which is alright, so the video start playing. Alright, and you look in the description right over here, you will see there's some product description and there are some links over here. Right, this link over here is generated through another website which will help you to affiliate your video to someone who sells the product, to connect this video to someone who sells that product that's featured in your video. So whoever buys the item through this link, I will get paid a small commission. I mean, it can be a few cents to a few dollars, but collectively it can generate a lot of money, but if you go through a long period of time. Okay, so how you're gonna do that is that you need to sign up over here. Here's my referral link. If you sign up this link, I get paid as well. If you sign up through this link, I get something like a referral bonus, right? So click over here. It will bring you to this page, right? So over here, you click on, you click on join, right? So you fill in your information and you click get started, right? And then I've already signed up, so you can go through this process and do the registration, right? And you will be asked to create a username and a password. So I did the signing up process already, so I'm gonna log in to my account now, right? So that will be my email address, and I need to fill in my password, and I sign in. All right, over here, I've already do the synchronization to my YouTube channel, so the videos on my YouTube channel will be updated over here, right? So I have 17 product links created, and there are 52 clicks to those links. Out of 52 clicks, 3 of them has made a purchase, and this will be my estimated earning. It is not much, but it is still money. So over time, when more people buy the items that I promoted in my channel and through the links that I created over here, so the more money I earn. Okay, so how do you do that? So when you go through the registration process, you will come to this page where it will be 0000 because you haven't even started yet, right? So over here, I'm gonna do a quick guide on how you do that. So just pick a video, right? And then over here you click on create link, right? Create link. So on this site over here, let's say on this video I have a under the product that I'm going to promote is hobbies and interests, for example. So I'm going to click here, and the country is maybe the country is Malaysia. Okay, I think that product will be under technology and computing, right? And I'm gonna find a URL. There's a GoPro camera which featured in this video, so I'm going to find a web page that sells GoPro, an e-commerce site that sells GoPro. This is just an example, so I'm going to show it to you how it's done. All right, so let me move the camera here a bit. All right, so let's see over here. GoPro Hero 8. Okay, there are many people selling GoPro over here, so some are selling it in bundles and so forth. So let's find a trusted seller. Right, so this one is last mall, and the star rating is pretty convincing, pretty promising. So we just go inside this link over here. All right, so the link on your web browser above there, right? Hold on. Right, so you're gonna take the link on the web browser right here, and you're gonna put it over here. And you click on create link. So you have a product link created over here for this video. So I'm going to copy this link and I'm going to put it in my video. So I'm going to open this video in a new tab. Right, so my video start playing over there. Click on edit videos. So I'll be presented to the page where I'm supposed to edit the video. Okay, for example, so I'm gonna add one more link over here. Let's say here, GoPro Hero 8, for example. So I'm gonna put this link right here. So I'm gonna save. So to make sure the link really works, so I'm going to click this video to view my own video here. Right? Okay, now the video stop playing again. So I'm going to pause the video first. So at the bottom of this video, there is a product listed over here. All right. So let me just move the camera a bit. Okay, so GoPro Hero 8 is listed over here along with the other products that I'm promoting through this video, right? So I'm going to click this link and it takes me directly to this page of someone in Lazada selling this product, right? So if someone buys this product through the link that I provided to them, I will get paid, right? So any product in Lazada or Shopee can be seen available in there in Lazada or Shopee. I can create a link that connects it to my video, so I'm affiliated to that product. So whoever click that link and buy that product, I will earn a small commission. It's not much, but collectively accumulate to a big. It can snowball to a bigger amount. Yep, it's not much, a few cents to a few dollars, right? So it's still money, so it helps me to generate income, right? So over time, it'll be more and more. So the more video I create, the more product I link to my video, it will help me generate income. So the same can be done for you if you sign up. So don't waste time. Refer to the description. I put the link in the description. You can sign up through the link that I provide to you, and you can start monetizing your YouTube videos. Your YouTube videos has value. Your YouTube videos are attractive. Your YouTube videos are interesting to people, right? But when people got interested, they will feel they want to buy the items. So the link is just right there. It's a convenience for them. At the same time, it creates income for you. It creates a small income for you. So you're gonna do a lot more and accumulate more income, more income coming in to create a higher, to earn more actually. So that's how it works. Simple and effective marketing, and it monetize your videos. Yeah. All right. Okay. So now after you have done all that, so now how do you get paid, right? So you need to key in your payment details. So after you log in, right, and you already know how to create your product links and link it to your video. So you click on the payment tab, right, and you click on the edit payment details. Normally the button is right over here. So you will come to this page where these are the payment details on how you can get paid. So in ProductLink, you will get paid in two methods. So one is PayPal, or one is wire transfer. So you have a PayPal account, you select PayPal and you fill in the necessary information. It's just a PayPal beneficiary name, your PayPal email, and your preferred currency. If you select wire transfer, then you have to fill in your bank name, your beneficiary name, your email, your account number, and your bank SWIFT code, IBAN code. Normally Malaysian banks doesn't have that. IFSC code, Malaysian banks doesn't have that as well. just put n/a, n/a. If it's not available, means it's not available. Branch code normally is triple X. Okay, so bank address, go search the address of the main branch of the bank where your bank account is. All right, and of course your bank account number, please make sure it's correct, otherwise the payment goes to someone else and it's difficult to reverse the mistake. All right, and of course your beneficiary name will be your actual name as per your Malaysian identity card. Okay, so your preferred currency, if you're in Malaysia, definitely it's Malaysia Ringgit, MYR. Okay, then once you fill up all this, check the information, make sure they're correct, make sure they're accurate, then you click on save changes. So as of now, my bank details are blank now because of making this video. I can't reveal my bank details. Those are very sensitive information. So I'm not going to save the changes, because if I save it, I'm going to save a blank form. All right. So I'm going back to the main page. Right. So this is the main page, and this is my estimated earning. It's not much. It's still money. So we move on to the next step. So if you have any question, do put it in the comments. And if you are new to this channel, please help me by clicking like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. It really helped me a lot, right? It will be a form of support for me to create more videos. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.